In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to stop notification sounds while calling on your phone. Many people find it annoying when they're on a call and keep hearing notification sounds from incoming messages, emails, or alarms. I'll guide you through the simple steps to silence these notifications so you can have uninterrupted conversations. To get started, open up the phone app on your device. And then tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the screen. Tap Settings. Once you are on the call settings page, tap Call Alerts and Ringtone. Now you'll see an option called Allow Alarm/Notification Sound in Calls, and it's turned on. To stop notification sounds while calling on your phone, simply toggle off this switch and disable this option. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.